Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to spool a spinning reel without a line twist. And this is braided line, 50-pound Power Pro braided line, and I'm going to use this for surf fishing. I'm sure you can do this with mono as well. So first, what you want to do is make a little knot, overhand knot. There you go, there's your knot right there. Sorry for the cut. Just got cut. Alright, so there's your knot. Now you're gonna make another overhand knot, but you're gonna make a loop, and you're not gonna completely tie down the loop. There you go. Overhand knot, and then another overhand knot up here. So you got a loop, but then you're gonna do an overhand knot on the line, not the loop again, the line. Alright, you see? Right here, I have the knot that we made in the beginning, the overhand that we made second, and the third overhand up here, where the line is. Now you're going to tie this part right here. You kind of made a lasso. So what happens here, once you put her on the spool, this little knot, let's see if I put it on the TV screen, this little knot right here is going to get stopped by this bigger knot down here, like a lasso. So now, I'm going to put it over here, over the spool. So technically, basically what I did is I just pulled the knot down. And now, it's not going to go anywhere. Hope you guys saw that. I'm not sure, but that little knot sees right there. Okay, now it's real nice and tight. Of course, cut off the excess. If I can. There you go. Alright, so now I got my reel on my fishing pole. This is just temporary. If your reel is spinning clockwise, you want your line to come out counterclockwise, or vice versa. This one, sticker up, it's coming out counterclockwise. So we're just going to have sticker up like this. Alright? And you want to put some tension, just a little bit, not a ton. Alright, not a ton, just put a little bit of tension right here. And you're just going to reel in, put this right here. Just going to reel in real slow at first. See if you guys can see that. Alright. Be nice and patient with this. Still going here. Probably edited it out, but it's been a while. Not too long, but can't go too fast either, you know, you gotta take your time. But it's getting filled up. I'm gonna show you guys something. When you fill it up, make sure you leave about maybe 1/8 of an inch from the edge of the spool. You don't want to go over, because then it's just gonna you know, go everywhere eventually, and you don't want that. You don't want to overfill it, because you're just gonna have problems, and it's not gonna. You're gonna have a bad time. Alright, so, but I'll be right back. Alright guys, got it all filled up. It's about 1/8 of an inch. If you guys can see that. It's pretty good. Alright, you don't want to overfill it. Spool's basically almost gone. This sucker used about 475 yards of it. Power Pro. 50 yard or 50 pounds, sorry, Power Pro. Almost 500 yards of it. Love this stuff. Always used it. Alright. So, alright, take care, guys. Alright, guys, so the last thing I like to do after all the lines in and you're ready to go, last step, I put rubber bands around the spool to hold on the line. That's just what I like to do. So you get some hot water, okay, and you just dip this right here. Leave it there for about 30 minutes, and it should help with the line memory, and it should make it nice and ready to, ready for the fishing pole. Just leave it there for 30 minutes. It doesn't have to be super hot. Just water you would, normally shower with if you shower with hot water. Nothing boiling or anything like that, obviously, but leave it there for 30 minutes, and that's the last step. It's ready to go.